Hey you guys, it's mzosofabolousTV, and oh my god, I know. Wait, before you guys give me the round of applause, I know, I'm actually here with a makeup tutorial. Oh my goodness. So over the last few months, I want to say the last 6 months since we've been in this whole Rona festival, a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me. I've been getting so many sweet and wonderful DMs about how people miss me on YouTube, and as you guys know, it's a little bit embarrassing for me, but then at the same time I just don't care. I have been simming, so yes, I am a simmer, y'all, and I will be posting Sims video. I'm sorry for those who don't care about the Sims, but baby, I'm gonna be posting a Sims video. And a lot of you guys have reached out and said that, you know, you guys miss my tutorials and stuff like that, and I really haven't been wearing makeup like that, but you know, I was watching some of my old videos and got a little bit of motivation to come back on here and try to get back on it. So today we have this fall autumn smoky eye tutorial for you guys. Are we not slaying it, dude? Are we not doing it? Are we not? Yes, give it to them, honey. Yes. So I am super excited. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look. All right, you guys, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our NYX micro brow pencil in the color chocolate. Yes, oldie but goodie. I do not change up my products, people. So I'm just grooming up my brow here, making sure everything goes in the same direction, and then we're just gonna fill her in. Now I'm gonna go in with some LA Curl Pro Concealer that I depotted it in this jar. This is in the shade medium beige, and I'm gonna use this to sculpt my brows. Now what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna go into this Cinema Secrets concealer palette, and I'm just gonna use this as a eyeshadow base on my lid. I'm gonna apply this and then set it with some translucent powder. Now that that is done, in my Juvia's Place Tribe palette, I'm gonna go in with the orange in here, and I'm gonna take this on a small domed brush like this, and I'm gonna use this to carve out my crease and start this as our transition color. Now that we have deposited that color, I'm gonna wipe the brush that we are using off a little bit, and I'm just gonna go in and start lightly buffing out the edges so we can have a nice smooth faded blend at the top, like so. You see how much softer that is now compared to that? And I just wanted to do small circular motions because I don't want to diffuse this color out too much, because we're gonna add more depth and a deeper shade of orange to it. Now I'm gonna go into my oldie but goodie trusty old Morphe 35O palette. Give me a second. And we're gonna go into this orange, and we're also gonna go into this orange, and we're gonna place these directly in our eye socket and start blending these colors with the orange we already applied using the same brush. Now I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna lightly blend those two oranges together so there's no harsh lines. Now going in with the same dome brush, keep in mind I use the same brush for all of these colors so far. I'm gonna go in with a nice dark brown, like this shade right here, and I'm gonna use this to smoke out the outer corner of our eye, because we're gonna go in on our actual eyelid and apply a reddish brown shade. So we're just using this to smoke out the look just a little. As you guys can see, I'm concentrating this color on my outer half of my eye, right there, just in the socket, in the corner. So once I deposit the color how I want it, then I'm gonna go in and slightly start blending this out just lightly, because I don't want the dark brown to overpower the other shades that we used. So I'm just wiping off my brush now, and then using the same brush, I'm just gonna go in and start lightly dragging the color over and smudging it out. I'm gonna go back in and just add a little bit more brown, because I want to drag this color a little bit more further in. Beautiful. And just to make sure that orange is still there and bright, I'm gonna go in with the fluffier brush that we used and go into the last two orange shades that we use and lightly just tap in them. And then I'm just gonna go over the dark brown and kind of use this to help blend that color, but also deposit some more of that orange so we don't lose that color. Now I'm gonna go in once again with the same dome brush, And we're gonna go in with a more reddish brown like this one, and I'm gonna use this to pack this all over my mobile lid area. Like so. Then I'm also gonna lightly dab into the dark brown, just redeposit some of that color. Make sure none of the colors are being washed out. Now I'm gonna go in with a small pencil brush, and I'm gonna wet the brush just a little bit. This is just water in a spray bottle. I'm just gonna wet the brush a little bit. I'm gonna go back into the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm gonna go into, let's go into this gold shade right here, and I'm gonna use this to pop this on my inner tear ducts of my eye area. Like so, you guys. So now I'm gonna go in and apply some eyeliner. Alright, you guys, we're gonna move on to face. I'm gonna start off with the Embryo Lease. This is the Hydra Matte primer and moisturizer. So I'm gonna use this all over my face, and then for foundation today, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I am in shade 360, and then we're going to highlight with our LA Pro concealer in medium beige. Now I'm gonna go in with my Airspun setting powder, and I'm gonna use this to set the highlight on my face. And then once that is done, I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and use some of the orange and the brown that we used in our eye to smoke out our bottom lash line. And then once we're done that, I'm gonna go in and contour using my Nude Stick Contour. This is actually a blush stick called Maple Syrup, but I use it for contour. Now I'm gonna go into my highlight. I'm gonna use the Gold Pop highlight from Becca, and I'm gonna apply that to the highlights parted. I'm gonna apply this to all the areas that we apply our highlight, which is our cheek. Now for lashes, I'm just gonna go into these pair and apply these bad boys and come back and do the lips and show you guys the final look. Right, you guys, and I'm back with the final look. So off camera, I apologize. I wanted to film the rest of it for you guys, but I haven't filmed in so long and my camera was overheating, so I had to put it on the charger. Then the battery was dying, and it was a whole lot going on. So let me explain to you guys what I did to complete this look. So I did apply some lashes, as you guys can see. I put a hefty amount of mascara, and I actually been using this Mary Kay mascara. It is wonderful. This is called the Lash Love Phenomenon mascara. So I use this to coat my top and bottom. I went in with the Marc Jacobs black eyeliner just to add some depth in the eyes. I went in with the Oldie but Goodie. I went in with my Milani Bellissimo bronze. Hello, this is a Oldie but Goodie Bellissimo bronze blush to add some color to the cheeks. On my lips, I am wearing NYX lip liner in Chestnut. And then I am wearing this new lip gloss that I got from Peaches and Creams Cosmetics, and this lip gloss is called Back Chat. So that's what's on the lips today. And yeah, oh my god, I forgot the last step. How the heck did I freaking forget? Hold please. Y'all, I almost forgot that I actually had to set my face. In the last, I want to say 2.5 going on 3 years, I haven't been setting my face, but honey, once again, been loving this Mary Kay product. This is the Mary Kay makeup finishing setting spray, and they're affiliated with Scandinavia, and Scandinavia also makes the Urban Decay all-nighter spray. So this is damn near the same product but cheaper, baby. This bottle I believe only cost me $12. So yes, honey, let's seal some of this powder in. Just have us, I mean, we was already glowing, baby, but now we could just glow even. And you see how the setting spray just, yes, honey, we love it. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, as always. I hope you guys are enjoying the fact that I came back, even if it was just for a little bit for you guys. I'm here and I'm gonna try. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you thumbs up for more videos like this one. Until the next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.